Okay, are we? Okay, let's start. Are we ready to debate? I said, are we ready to debate?
Yes.
So are we ready to debate?
Yes.
Yeah. It's starting with comedy. That's awesome.
Okay. And with us on the debate today is Tanmay Bhatt. I'm sorry he didn't turn up. Okay, we have the Congress party. Sorry, they never turn up. So I think we'll make do with who we have.
Your sense of humor.
Don't censor me. Abha Singh joins us tonight. Abha Singh, social activist and advocate. Also with us, Rakesh Bedi. Thank you very much, sir. Big fan. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, we also have with us Raju Srivastav. Now, Raju Srivastav, last time you came on the program, itne serious the. I was beginning to get worried. I was worrying whether you were okay. Thank you for joining us. Saad Bain joins as a conversationalist, increasingly intolerant of the other person's point of view. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Vinod Kambli, former Indian cricketer, at the root of this controversy because he was dragged into the controversy today. Great to see you, Vinod. Shaina NC of the BJP, which wants Tanmay Bhatt arrested. With Saurabh Pant, stand-up comedian, Karan Talwar, founder of SNG Comedy. Thank you very much. Great to have you guys here. And Sapan Verma is also with us today, founder of East India Comedy. Great to see you, Sapan. And Kanan Gill is also there. Kanan, hi. Joining us from Bengaluru tonight. Let's debate. Okay. You want me to start this? Well, I think it was distasteful, wasn't it? It was terrible. Yeah? So why should he get away?
Because my problem is not with the joke. My problem is that if you don't like a joke, you can criticize it. You can go on Twitter, you can talk about it, you can completely comment on it.
No, because just because you're a stand-up comedian does not mean that your videos and performances can be crass and crude like this one was.
Right.
You realize that, right? I mean, can any comic act claim a license to abuse in the name of comedy? What do you think? Open up. I'm not going to request you to come in. What do you think, Rakesh ji?
I don't think so. I think it was totally uncalled for. There was no reason for it. There was no humor in it. मैंने जब वो देखा तो मतलब मुझे I was expecting कि मैं एक smile तो आएगी है कुछ तो आएगा. There was no smile on my face. There was no humor. There was no wit in it.
Right.
And it was very repulsive, I will say.
Yeah.
You know, मुझे जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं घिन मुझे आई उस वीडियो देखने के बाद.
But I mean, I personally didn't find the video funny as well. But I just tuned out. I watched it for 4 seconds and I moved on to other things in life. I think. Why? I mean, how does it impact me? It's a Snapchat video which is consumed by like whatever
16-year-olds
and 19-year-olds, and they enjoy it. It's not a big deal. This is not the issue that should be.
You are telling 16-year-olds about a person like Lata Mangeshkar, about a person like Sachin Tendulkar. I mean, this is what you're trying to teach our generation. You are trying to demean women. I mean, it's a gross violation of law. 509 says it is modesty. You're violating the modesty of Lata Mangeshkar.
Well, fair enough, but aside from that, you can't just hold this entire thing in isolation. There's a lot of other stuff which has also been done before this by comedians, which has done the exact opposite of this.
See, comedy fine as long as it is humor, but when it becomes a violation of the law, as the AIB roast which happened earlier where we got an FIR lodged. But what pains me today, Arnab, is that they engaged some of the best lawyers, and from the High Court they got to stay on coercive action. That meant you keep doing it again and again, and that is the result that today we have luminaries like Lata Mangeshkar and all who are...
No, but it's overreaction, isn't it? Let's get everyone in. Isn't it overreaction out here? Don't you think it's an overreaction? What do you think, Vinod Kambli? Do you think it's an overreaction here? I mean, this video is not a threat to our national security, is it? That it should be banned? Vinod Kambli, what do you think? You saw the video?
Of course, Arnab, if you look at the video, I saw it. In fact, I saw it in the afternoon. In fact, I was not aware of this video, and when I saw it, and I was like, humor. I didn't see any humor in that. And if you look at as you started, that I was the root for it. But let me just clear one thing here, Arnab, that I never gave any interview anything about any press conference about Virat or Sachin. First of all, I want to clear this thing. And I don't know how did this guy, I don't know who this guy is also. So today I came to know that he's a stand-up comedian, and the way he has spoken, he has taken my name as well. Okay, I take it as a humor. I don't mind. I don't know how Sachin has taken it, or Lata Didiji has taken it. So I just my point is here, if they are hurt Why don't they come in front and just express their feelings? What do they feel about it?
Yeah.
But here I feel that this kind of humor.
Yeah, come on.
Come on,
Let's get Kanan Gill and Karan Talwar as well. Guys, come into the debate, please. Don't hold yourself back. You're not going to be arrested if you speak. The fact is, the joke has reached the police station. The police is investigating it. The police has had a press conference declaring their intent of probing a comedy video. Question tonight, which I'm asking the viewer, is whether this video poses a danger to our democracy. The way this has become viral, you'd think that this has posed a danger to our democracy. Yes, Kanan?
Yes, so what I'm trying to say is the issue here is not the joke in question.
Yeah, go.
The issue, just 1 second, I'll just say a very small thing. The issue is not really the joke in question or what happened. The bigger issue here is what to do with offense. Like, who decides what's offensive? Everyone gets to decide. But what you do from then on are the things that we need to debate today. Is it okay to go and burn effigies? Is it okay to go and shout hi hi outside someone's house? Is it okay to give someone death threats because you're offended? Is it okay to go and lodge an FIR? Are those things okay? In my opinion, no. Is it okay to be offended? Extremely okay.
Yeah, but the state has, here's different. The state has become very serious about it.
Why did he do it in the first place?
Who's asking that? Vinod Kambli, you're asking why did he needed to take your permission to do it?
I'm here, Vinod Kambli.
No, so why are you saying he needs your permission to do it? I mean, did this comedy video at any point of time?
Why did he take my name? Why did he insult Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar?
Vinod, you don't mean to say that anyone who mentions you in anything has to take your permission.
You know, you're insulting the two people who have done wonders to our country. They are Bharat Ratnas.
So, incidentally, nobody would have known about.
You cannot insult anybody like that.
I'd like to address what.
No, very, very strong feelings here, clearly. Yeah, go on.
I think.
No, one second. Very strong feelings, clearly, Vinod has. Yeah, go on. Respond to it. Go on, Karan.
Listen, Vinod Kambli. May I say something here?
No, Karan's saying something after that. You come in. Yeah, let's get everyone.
Go ahead, Karan. Go ahead.
No, go on. Karan, you go on.
Okay, so Mr. Kambli, I just heard what you said. Now, for me, the legend that is Sachin, the legend that is Lataji, their status does not get reduced one iota by anybody's joke. The fact that you seem to getting offended seems to be like you have a problem. This does not affect their status in any way as who they are to India. Point one.
No, absolutely it does.
I've heard from all the people who have.
See, I'm a guy. I will not get affected.
Absolutely does not.
If anybody is making a comment on me or anybody is making a joke on me, I'm a very, very, very sporting guy. I take it very sportingly. I joke about somebody. I also take it also on myself. I will not joke about in public about Sachin Tendulkar or Lata Mangeshkar ji.
You are okay.
No, so basically what you're saying is that you can't. No, you are basically saying. No, 1 sec, Karan. He's basically saying that you can't joke about icons or celebrities, right? That is the argument, right? So you can joke, but you can't joke about icons and celebrities. Can you give me a list? 1 second. Can you give me a list of people? Vinod Kambli, you can't joke about. Shaina NC, why don't you give us a list of people you can't joke about? Who are the others?
First and foremost, Arnab, humor is the essence of life. Nobody is taking away humor, wit, etc. But you have somebody who is downright distasteful, disrespectful, shameful, uses adjectives to suggest a woman's anatomy, suggests that if her face is put into water, it looks like a shriveled up raisin, says that you're 5,000 years old, why don't you die? Why should I die? Don't you die? Goes on like this. Is this the idea of humor? And why shouldn't I feel offended? Why don't I have a right to feel offended if my icons are defamed? Don't I have a right as a citizen who can go about using vulgarity under the garb of comedy and freedom of expression?
By the way, this is the second time in the last 6 to 8 months where we've turned somebody into a superstar in the media stage. The first one was Kanhaiya Kumar. This is the second one. anyone.
She's a senior
Nobody would have known about this
citizen,
video
a woman,
if people hadn't spoken
a
about it and
Bharat
given it the
Ratna,
attention that
and
you guys are
there
giving it
you
right now.
feel that you can say what you want and nobody should react. Everyone should show restraint. Why should we show restraint?
Nobody's
If there
saying you to
is
show
something
restraint.
which
We are
is
saying that, okay,
downright disgusting,
no, ma'am,
look at the
Shaina, we are not
tweets
saying
through the
don't
days
show
from
restraint. We are
Rashad.
saying
Look
say
at
what you want,
Ritesh
but don't do
Deshmukh,
threats
who's a
and don't do stuff which the
comedian
MNS is saying
himself
कि मैं तुम्हारी टांग तोड़ दूंगा. That's not a solution to this whole thing. And then Palas Nilani is saying that he
No, but Saurabh Pant at the same time, 1 minute. Saurabh Pant, one second. Saurabh, I have a question for you. 1 minute, 1 minute. No, my question. 1 second. Shaina, 1 second. No, what you're saying is, what Saurabh Pant's argument is very interesting, Rakesh Bedi. He focuses on the reaction, he doesn't focus on the content. It's very smart, Saurabh. You're painting yourself to be the victim out here. We, the people who hold free speech, we were just making a few jokes, and you, the bad state, the bad people of this country, are out to get us. Now listen, Saurabh, mimicking Tendulkar telling Lata Mangeshkar that her face looks 5,000 years and that she should die like Jon Snow will be construed by many as a personal remark under the garb of a comic act.
It's tasty.
No. There is a difference between a joke and then you use the language that was also used. Now, mimicking Lata Mangeshkar telling Tendulkar about him adjusting his abdominal guard is not something that everyone will take down as a piece of comedy. That's also to be understood by you.
I am on your side on that.
Right. So the fact is that these celebrities you are mimicking are indulging in abuse is something that has turned many people off.
But he used
There's
words,
no
so
stopping.
use words.
No, there's
Use
no
words.
stop. No, one second. There is no stopping anyone from mimicking anyone, but why make them abuse? Why? No, one second. Why make them abuse in a third grade way? Why make them abuse
Can he tell you
in an obnoxious way? No, tell me. If comedy has come down to the kind of expletives that need to be used.
Again,
the
that's-
kind. No,
that's
one
one
second.
guy,
No,
that's one
Saurabh, I
guy.
put
It's
that
not
question to
every
the viewers
comedian in the
tonight.
country.
If
That's
comedy
right.
comes down
Yeah.
to the cheap populism where you say that I'm just going to use the most pathetic words possible and put those words on the faces of the best known people possible, then is that comedy or something else? Come on, Saurabh. Come on, someone take that up tonight. Okay, Saad bin Jung is back to the debate. Rakesh Bedi should also come back to the debate. My question is not about whether it's comedy or whether it's sensitivity. It's about whether this is comedy at all. Yes, please go on. Go on, Saad. Yes,
Okay.
Saad.
May I come in now?
Yeah, go on, Saad. Go on, Saad. I've never. You
All right,
don't take my permission. Go on.
Arnab, the thing is that it is not about national security, it is about national integrity. We are talking about a lady who is world renowned, who's one of the best singers, who's one of the best performers of music in the world ever. Now, she is not a lady who's done blue films. She is not a lady who's done things which are disrespectful in society so that you can joke about her. Here is a woman who's never ever done anything wrong. What you say about Sachin Tendulkar, I didn't find anything wrong with his comparisons, the way he talked about Sachin, that's fine. That's it. But about Lata ji, how can he go out, how can he do this? He's actually hurting Indian integrity over here. And here is a beautiful lady who's earned her respect, and you've got to, like, 5,000-year-old tradition of ours, 5,000-year-old culture of ours, we must respect our elders, for heaven's sake.
Well, I think Karan, Kanan, Saurabh and Sapan have conceded defeat right at the start of the Newshour debate tonight. And I'm sorry, but I observe that you are on the back foot, perhaps because you understand. See, my point is the legal action against Tanmay is unwarranted. Right. Sure. The legal action. One minute.
No, why not? When he is violating the law, what does 509 say is word, gesture or act?
You want him to be arrested? You want him to be arrested? No, you want him to be arrested
Of course, when he has violated a law, it is not about logic. When you have made a law, either you change the law. What does 294 says? Any obscene word in a public place?
My point to you, Abba Singh.
See how an FIR has been registered. An FIR can only be registered when there is an offence. So as simple as that. When you have violated the law, then FIR was registered.
As a comedian, who can I talk about?
And let me tell you, it's not comedy. It is cheap publicity.
Okay, that's,
I would like an FIR against your company also, who has written this script, because it's a criminal conspiracy.
We are not the same company.
Did you take permission from Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar?
Please don't generalize all comedians in the same brush.
Nobody knew Tanmay Bhatt till the time he came up with these.
That's exactly the point.
Nobody would have known this video existed. How can you use this obscenity just for your publicity, for money, and then you get big lawyers and you get a stay from the High Court?
Every single day.
The thing is this.
Rakesh Bedi, please go on.
He's got
for it. He's got the free publicity. That's what he wanted.
But caused by whom? It's not caused by him. He put up a video on a silly social media website.
It's caused by his action. I challenge him. Can he say to his? Can he tell his grandmother?
But
you are 80 years old. You die.
Social media.
Can he tell his grandmother?
1 second. Please wait. Yeah. Go on.
Can he tell his grandmother you are 80-year-old? You die. And your face is puffed up like you have been in water for the past 8 days. Can he do that?
We're going back to whether the joke was funny or tasteless.
No, it's not about tasteless.
Okay,
It's about how tasteless this was. One second. Who's coming to the debate? No, 1 second. Lot of people coming back into the debate. 1 minute. Can I?
I'm not button here. I'm not button.
All right, we have Karan Talwar back to the debate. Karan Talwar is coming back to the debate, and Raju Srivastav has not even spoken. Should we let him begin his innings right now? Now put it in focus tonight, viewers, and thank you for the fantastic feedback we're getting to this debate. Consider this and consider it logically. I didn't mean to say this to you, Saurabh, Karan, Kanan, and Sapan when I said that as of now you're losing the debate because you can't keep painting yourself the victim.
That's because we aren't screaming, Arnab.
No. Just one. No, listen.
We are not.
If he could just get an.
Can I say one thing? Can I just say one thing?
You can't scream, then you do it in comedy.
Okay, just a minute.
Just a minute. Raju Srivastav, आप देश के बड़े जाने माने रेस्पेक्टेड एक्सपीरियंस कॉमेडियन हैं, फिर भी आप कहते हैं कि ये जो हुआ ये बुरा हुआ, तो लोग कहेंगे राजू श्रीवास्तव इज ऑन विच साइड टुनाइट? राजू श्रीवास्तव, लेट्स प्लीज गो बोलिए।
देखिए, अगर एआईबी का जो पहला शो हुआ था लाइव, जिसमें आबाजी वगैरह ने नोटिस भेजा था, अगर वो शो रोका नहीं जाता तो उनका अगला शो बिना कपड़ों के होने वाला था। तो क्या वो चलता लोगों को? और दूसरा, बहुत सारे लोग ये कहते हैं कि अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो मत देखिए। तो देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा ना कि पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, क्योंकि डिबेट में आके हमें जवाब भी देना होता है। बीइंग ए कॉमेडियन हमसे लोग क्वेश्चन भी करते हैं, तो हमें तो देखना ही पड़ेगा कि क्या क्या किया उन्होंने। रही बात ये कि इसका लिमिट कौन तैयार करेगा, इसका दायरा कैसे डिसाइड होगा। मुझे लगता है कि ये जितने भी कॉमेडियन हैं, कार्टूनिस्ट हैं या हास्य कवि हैं, ये कोई भी कंटेंट बनाएं तो उसको सोच लें कि अगर ऑडियंस में अगर उनकी फैमिली बैठी होगी, उनकी माँ बैठे होंगे, पिताजी बैठे होंगे, बच्चे बैठे होंगे, बहन बैठी होगी, तो वो कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, उस शो को क्या एंजॉय करेंगे। मुझे कभी कोई डर लगता है कि
राकेश बेदी आपको सवाल पूछ रहे हैं। सुनिए,
अपनी बहन को नहीं लाते होंगे वहाँ पे।
राजू श्रीवास्तव जी, पहली बात तो ये है कि दोहरे मापदंड कहते हैं ना, हिपोक्रेसी इज दोहरे मापदंड। तो इस तरफ जो दोहरे मापदंड दिखाए जा रहे हैं बॉलीवुड के, ये मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा।
जी।
आज रणवीर सिंह, अर्जुन कपूर, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, हाँ, दीपिका पादुकोण, संजय कपूर, सोनी राजदान, करण जौहर, अनुराग कश्यप, ये सारे जो हैं, एआईबी रोस्ट जब हुआ था उसके शॉर्ट्स में अभी दिखाऊंगा टीवी पर, जब एआईबी रोस्ट हो रहा था हर तरह के बातें की जा रही थी। आपने कहा था कि आपको भी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं था। ये सारे आपके बॉलीवुड के फ्रेटर्निटी वहीं पे थे, वहाँ पे, और सामने रो पड़ते और हंस रहे थे उस समय तो उनको बड़ा मजा आ रहा था। तो आज कैसे उनको, हाउ कम दीज पीपल जो कहते हैं हम वी आर हियर टू डिफेंड फ्री स्पीच, वेयर हैव दे डिसअपीयर्ड नाउ? उनके दोहरे मापदंड क्यों हैं?
मैं एक बात
और दूसरी बात, राकेश बेदी आपको रखेंगे। राकेश बेदी जी,
मैं तो इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि जो एआईबी का जो फुल फॉर्म है वो भी आप किसी पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं कह सकते। वो फुल फॉर्म ही इतना मुझे अजीब लगता है कि आप किसी पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म में जहां पर फैमिलीज बैठी हो और लोग बैठे हो, यू कांट से दैट, यू कांट स्पेल आउट द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एआईबी। इट्स सो फनी, इट्स सो बैड।
और ये जो हंस रहे हैं एआईबी में, अर्नब, इसके इनको पैसे मिले थे। दैट वाज पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट कि इतने भद्दी डायलॉग्स होंगे, दीपिका हंसेंगी, बिल्कुल, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी डिमांडेड व्हेन वी गॉट द एफआईआर।
One sec, Karan Talwar is laughing at what you're saying. Yeah, why Karan?
No,
why laughing?
He may laugh, but
why laughing? Let him know. I want to know why.
Any woman laughing at such obscenity, it is difficult to incorporate. It is difficult.
This is not. Let's not. No. One sec.
It is part of the script.
I see a lot of stuff on Indian TV.
No, one sec.
No, of course.
I see a lot of things on TV.
The F word on me and I laugh it out. It is disgraceful. It violates my modesty, and yet because I'm getting billions of rupees, I take it. This is what the glamour world is.
All right.
Okay. Just one minute.
One second. All right.
Yeah,
okay, just hold on. 1 second.
Yeah, go on,
right.
Karan.
Okay. We've listened. All right. Just 1 second. Okay. So we've listened very nicely, and what you'll find the comedians doing on this program is defending your right to be offended. You are offended. We understand. That's okay. We understand that these things happen. Sometimes people say things, other people don't like them. That is always going to happen. What we are debating is it okay to take this to this extreme level? What we are saying is that it is not.
This level is too extreme.
We are saying is
level
that
is too extreme.
So going to court is quite ridiculous. Okay, one second. What happened when Tanmay made those remarks?
Can I come in? Can I come in for a minute? Can I come in 1 minute? Just Kanan, one second. Hello, Kanan, can I say something? Yeah, please. Kanan, please, can I say something? Kanan, listen to me. Kanan, listen to me. Shaina, listen to me. Shaina never listens to me, but Kanan, listen to me. 1 second.
I'm sorry.
I'm saying something to you,
There's too many
Kanan.
people talking. Who am I listening to?
Kanan, do you realize how difficult it is to get half a word in on the program sometimes? Thank you very much. Shaina, 1 second. The question is not that. You see, today, when Rakesh Bedi ji is saying something, or Raju Srivastav is saying something, right? Then I find Swapan, Saurabh Pant, Karan and Kanan laughing away. I'm sorry, but I want to know, Saurabh, whether this attitude is driven by the snobbishness of city-bred, urban, English-speaking people. That city-bred,
This
urban,
attitude is bred by
1
the
second, let me
ability to,
complete this
entertain
please.
two opinions in
City-bred,
the same
urban,
head.
English-speaking people say, you know what, don't take offense. And if others take offense, they say, you know, which world do
No,
you
we're
belong
saying
to?
take
They
offense.
also belong
We
to
are
your
not
country.
saying don't take offense.
No,
No one on this program has
watch
said don't take
just
offense.
one.
We are saying
Rakesh
you-
Bedi,
we
you want to come in on that?
understand that
Rakesh
you can take
Bedi,
offense.
Rakesh Bedi is saying something on that. Listen to him, please. Yeah.
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो वीडियो है ये इतना ज्यादा घिनौना था कि मतलब जब मैंने देखा मुझे एक लाफ्टर तो आना चाहिए ना अगर आपने जोक मारा है
या बिल्कुल
आपने जोक
बोले
आपने एक जोक मारा मेरे चेहरे पे स्माइल तो आए
रिएक्शन और भी ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम है
अगर मेरे चेहरे पे स्माइल आती ना
आप बोलने
टेररिज्म में
Saurabh, you're not going to be intolerant to him.
अगर मेरे चेहरे पे स्माइल भी आती तो मैं शायद 2 नंबर छोड़ देता उसको यू नो कि चलो ठीक है मैं हंसा तो सही कम से कम आपने जोक मारा लेकिन मेरे चेहरे पे तो घिन आ गई
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ राकेश बेदी जी को, राकेश बेदी जी विस्तृत तौर से बताइए 1 सेकेंड इस प्रोग्राम में तो कोई शिवसेना नहीं है ना जो आके सेंसर कर देगी प्रोग्राम। तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ आप इनको बताइए आज खुली तौर से, और मैं आई वांट द डिबेट बिटवीन 2 people tonight. I'll tell them right now I want the debate between Kanan Gill and Rakesh Bedi. Okay, I'm moderating this. I'm the ringmaster. I'm the ringmaster. Now आप Kanan Gill को बताइए राकेश बेदी जी, और आपको मैं जब से हम छोटे थे स्कूल में थे तब से आपको हम देखते जा रहे हैं, आपने बहुतों को हंसाया, आप ग्रेट परफॉर्मर है, मैंने तो बोला आपको, आई एम अ बिग फैन।
थैंक यू।
आप कन्नन गिल को बताइए जो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन है बेंगलुरु से, आप उनको बताएं आप किस चीज से आपको घिन आई, एंड आई यू नो व्हाट डिड यू फाइंड डिसगस्टिंग, यू कैन
मुझे सबसे बड़ी घिन इस बात से आई जब उसने लता मंगेशकर जी कुछ इस तरह से बात कर रही है, उंगली उनके सामने है, ये क्या तरीका है? एक इतनी बड़ी हमारी देश की आइकॉन है और उनको आप इस तरह से पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं एक वीडियो में, क्या प्रूव कर रहे हैं? और मुझे जो सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये लगा कि इस वीडियो का जो मोटिव था वो लाफ्टर था ही नहीं। इस वीडियो बनाने का मोटिव ये था कि बहुत दिनों से मैं न्यूज में नहीं आया हूं, मैं न्यूज में आ जाऊं, लोग मुझे देखें, लोग मुझे एक बार फिर जाने के तन्मय भट्ट क्या नाम है उसका,
Kanan reply.
Yes, sir.
That was the prime motive of this video, not laughter.
Sir, आपको हंसी नहीं आई, that's okay. बहुतों को हंसी भी आई,
किसी को नहीं आई, किसी को नहीं आई।
पॉइंट इज कि अगर एब्सोल्युटली ये फनी है या नहीं है किसी को पता नहीं, एंड हु आर वी टू जज कि एब्सोल्यूट स्केल पे ये फनी है या नहीं है।
एक मिनट बॉस, I've got 2 young daughters. I've got 2 young daughters. They saw the video and they had a much thicker, much blatant reaction than I have here today. You know, their reaction was much more furious to it.
Sir, they had a reaction,
watch.
And you were offended, and that is okay. I am agreeing with you. We are on the same page right now.
Then why are we fighting?
You didn't like it, your daughters didn't like it, great. That is fine.
But
is that a criminal offense?
But this is what the comedians have
but
come
calling
to.
Tanmay
This
and
is
saying
how only they can do humor. That is a big question which comes in. That is the comedy for comedy is only this. Has comedy become so sick? Has it become so depraved? It worries me.
Vinod Kambli.
Such depravity.
Vinod Kambli, back to the debate tonight. Vinod Kambli, you're listening on to this. We started the debate with Vinod Kambli. Now I get into the debate. Vinod Kambli and Karan Talwar, please, can they both come into the debate? And my question is different at this point of time. What is 1 second? What is more offensive? Making a video mocking Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar, or Giriraj Singh asking all the critics of the BJP to go to Pakistan. Is Tanmay Bhatt, for example, and I'm not saying this to provoke you, Shaina, is Tanmay Bhatt like the Shiv Sena, your dear ally with which you're having problems all the time, but anyway, technically, formally, on paper it's an ally. Is Tanmay Bhatt like the Shiv Sena, blackening the face of another individual as your dear ally did with Sudhindra Kulkarni? Is that a valid question, Saurabh?
Absolutely.
Right? Is Tanmay Bhatt like your ally, the Shiv Sena, issuing threats like it did in the lead up to the cancellation of the Ghulam Ali concert in Mumbai in October last year? Is that a valid question, or are you going to avoid those questions tonight? Shaina NC. You need to take those questions. Yes, please, Shaina. No, you want me to ask you more? Then I'd also say, is Tanmay Bhatt like your dear ally, the Shiv Sena, going around Mumbai armed with sticks and bats, right? Ransacking media houses like you did in 2009 and the year 2012 when you didn't like the news coverage that was going on in some channels. I mean, come on. People will say, I can take offense. I'd say Rakesh Bedi can take offense. I'd say Abha Singh can take offense. But what right do you have to take offense when that is what your ally did? Please answer that tonight, don't dodge it.
First, what MNS said that we will break his legs.
I said Shiva Sena, don't go to the MNS. Shiva Sena.
One moment.
Shiva Sena.
One moment.
Shiva Sena.
But the allegation that
you're avoiding the question on the Shiva Sena. Aren't you avoiding the question on the Shiva Sena? Why?
That they are, I am not avoiding. Hear me out. Hear me out. They are also a bunch of jokers if they suggest they can take law and order into their hands.
You call the Shiv Sena a bunch of jokers?
As joke as what Tanmay tried to do in the
you just said you said the BJP you as a BJP leader called the Shiv Sena a bunch of jokers. You're on record tonight.
That's I said I would call and other parties that take law and order into their hand are also a bunch of jokers. And I stand by that. Anybody who tries to gain brownie points through sensationalism, whether it's Tanmay Bhatt or whether it's people burning his effigies, they are
Raju Srivastav coming back to the debate. I think that's an interesting point. I think we've diversified the debate now.
To go to a police station, to ask for it to be withdrawn, to ask for an unconditional apology, and to ensure that our icons, whether they are defamed in their personal space,
I just have one point to raise as a stand-up comedian in this country.
Shaina, Sapan Verma asking a counter.
I have one very basic question. As a comedian, who can I make fun of in this country? Can you give me a list? Because you don't want me to make fun of these guys. The Bollywood fanatics say don't do jokes about Salman or Shah Rukh.
I want Vinod Kambli to answer that.
Somebody says
Vinod Kambli should answer that. Vinod Kambli is answering that. Vinod Kambli, please.
I want to tell Mr. Karan.
No, that's Sapan Verma.
We are not in America or UK where you can just comment on anybody or you can do whatever comedy you want to. But here it is. We have a lot of sentiments about certain people, and we are very, very particular about that.
But
all I can say, this nowadays generation, I'm talking about the stand-up comedian. I've also been seeing comedians like Rakesh Bedi and even Srivastav is there. Their comedy is natural. They don't offend anybody. Nowadays comedians, I'm saying here, Arnav on your channel, they have crossed the line.
Yeah.
Who decides
there should be an LOC for them as well. Right. They have to be careful what they say.
Who's going? One of you respond to him. Who's responding? Saurabh Pant responding.
I don't know who's
my biggest problem with this.
I don't want to give him more
importance. My biggest problem with this is that you're basically saying that I need to ask you for permission before I say anything in my life. Again, I'm not backing this particular joke. I'm backing my right to make any kind of joke. And again, we are constantly painting every comedian in the same paint of color or whatever. This is not about everyone. This is one joke in one silly social media website which doesn't actually paint everything that we do. Comedians, by the way, English comedians, again, you're all judging us for the fact that okay, sab nalayak hai, sab perverted hai, whatever. We are doing a lot of things to try and help India, whether it's raising money for different sort of things. Okay, this is a bad example. Can we have some responsibility for people in the politics? That's my question.
Abba, don't go for the legal argument. Go for the simple argument. That's what I'm saying today. No, one second.
Even when the issue came of defamation, the Supreme Court said no, it will stay on. You are hurting a person. You want to do comedy, do it on yourself. But no, you
this
cannot
legal
hurt
thing.
somebody's sentiments. See, that also has to be seen into account. And where the Congress party or all these politicians who are coming, at that time when Farida Jalal, Rima Lagu, I think that time not a single politician came down and condemned AIB. It was we who went to the court, and now suddenly it has become insider, outsider.
But
that itself should not be politicized. But as long as law is violated, you cannot give logic. Comedy has to be humor.
Raju Srivastava, वापस आ रहे हैं डिबेट में. मुझे जरा moderate करने दे.
In my own eyes,
Listen
you
to me.
cannot humiliate me. Your humor should have some humor, not sickness.
Okay, listen.
And this is all sickness what Tanmay Bhatt is.
Okay, 1 second.
May I add something to this?
One second. Who's adding something to this? Okay, go ahead.
Me, Saad.
Go ahead, Saad bin Jang. Yeah, go ahead.
Listen, Abha, what I would like to tell you is that we are today being asked to judge this issue like Indians. We are not whites. So if you're going to take this whole question to the white people in Europe or in America, they're going to come up and say there's nothing wrong with it. But हमारा culture, हमारा tradition, हम इतना respect करते हैं हमारे बड़ों को कि now suddenly for me to hear कि नहीं ये सब ठीक है, बुड्ढों को respect मत करो, फेंको सालों को घर से निकाल दो. What is going to happen to our parents tomorrow? घर से निकाल के पुत्र
राकेश बेदी बोल.
कल्चर की बात तो बाद में आती है, पर आप किसी को बोल रहे हैं तू मर जा.
Allow us to
कल्चर की बात तो बाद में आती है. आपको अच्छा लगा बुरा लगा वो तो बात ही नहीं, वो डिबेट ही नहीं है. लाफ्टर है या नहीं वो डिबेट ही नहीं.
कौन कह रहा है मुझको अच्छा लगा बुरा लगा? आप समझ ही नहीं रहे. आप अगर मुझको नहीं समझ रहे तो आपको कमेडियन में क्या समझेंगे?
तू मर जा, you die, you're done with.
Just one. I put a question somewhere tonight. One second. Raju Srivastava wants to say something, and then I have a question to you. Saurabh Pant. I don't think you'll be able to answer that, but Raju Srivastava aa rahe hain, please. Yes, Raju Srivastava. Go on.
हाँ अर्नब मैं
Raju ji.
अर्नब मैं उन लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूं जो लोग तन्मय को बैक कर रहे हैं कि जिस तरह से AIB ने अपना शो शुरू किया था, मुझे लगता है उनका अगला शो जो बेडरूम सीन के ऊपर होगा, बेडरूम में जो होता है उसको वो लोग पेश करेंगे, तो इसको ये लोग किस तरह से बैक करेंगे?
जी No, watch. Karan Talwar reply करे. Karan Talwar of SCG comedy. Go on. Karan Talwar reply करे.
Yes. So here we go. Okay. So first of all, if you see movies like Masti Zade, Grand Masti, they denigrate women to a level that we would never. We can't match up to that. They are too good at it. They are amateurs compared to those people. So secondly, now I've heard all sorts of things. So one person just now was saying that our culture. How it is one guy on Snapchat, one guy is saying he's doing it for publicity. It is bizarre. It is like I don't even know how to comprehend this.
It is not that fellow saying, it is you who's saying that he's right.
Yeah.
नहीं our culture meaning आप तो कह रहे हो कि वो सही कह रहा है. You are backing that chap. तो हमारा कल्चर तो वही हुआ है. हम तो आपसे भी लड़ेंगे ना. आप अगर उसको बैक करोगे तो हम क्या करें? आप चुप बैठेंगे? आप अगर बैक करोगे मीडिया पे तो दूसरे ये तो गलत हो गया ना. आप भी गलत हो, वो भी गलत है.
Listen, relax buddy, relax, let me speak.
नहीं रिलैक्स की बात नहीं आती भैया. आप पहले सोच समझ के बात करो. We are Indians, we are not Goras. If you want to be a Gora, I suggest you go and get your MBA or something from America.
Let me speak.
Watch.
गोरे के वैसे ही बात कर रहे हो. अगर कोई कुछ भी कर सकते हो आप, कुछ भी किसी को भी डेनिग्रेट कर सकते हो. Don't respect your elders. Anything is allowed. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Judges like Indians, boss.
Just one. Let them debate, gentlemen.
We are humans.
We are having a nice conversation. Why should we disturb it? Yeah, go on. Boलिए.
Arnab, if we can't make a single point here, there's no point of this debate.
No, you carry on, please.
What I'm trying to say here is we are humans and we have a culture. Our culture is very strong. These people will make you believe that our culture is being reduced because Tanmay Bhatt made a joke on Snapchat.
I think Vinod Kambli
our culture is not that.
Not our culture, your culture. Please don't include you with me. I'm not part of your culture. Say your culture, don't say our culture.
I'm sorry, your culture is much greater than mine.
Please say your culture. You agree that Lata Mangeshkar should be stripped. You agree that Lata Mangeshkar's face should be discussed. You agree that Lata Mangeshkar should be debated. You are okay with that? Come on, yeah. What are you saying? What culture is that? That's not my culture.
You can all speak together and be heard.
The point is not to insult Lata Mangeshkar.
Listen,
we are here.
Can I say one thing?
At night you do it.
No, 1 second. Can I?
High Court has given him the permission to carry on doing this. Had the court taken a strong stand,
I am really upset with this.
He's a habitual offender now.
I'm sorry.
I will call him an habitual offender.
I'm sorry. No, till this.
No, I will not call him a.
No, till this point. Now listen to me, please. Listen to me. Hello. I can't anchor this where there are 6 comedians. Two of them legendary for many years. And by the way, you're happy to make fun of me. I have no problem with it at all. I would tell all the comedians. In fact, I'd say, please make more fun of me. There's no problem with that.
You're funny in any case.
Now listen.
See, he's a legend. He's proving it right.
Rakesh Bedi says to me that I'm funny.
Are you hearing me?
Sir, I never thought it would come down to this. I am a good guy.
There is some laughter option.
But at one second,
I think you're laughing after a long time.
Listen to me. At least I have an alternative career now. No? Now listen. I don't understand what you're talking about, Abba. Repeatedly, rule book, arrest.
No, but
Abba, this is not. No, Abba, let me complete my sentence. The fact is, there is no rule book which says that legends and icons cannot be joked upon. It cannot be. And the focal point of the outrage here seems to be that two Indian icons, both Bharat Ratnas, were the focus of a certain comedian's short skit on social media. So let me ask you, why is there an uncontained amount of outrage given that Tanmay Bhatt has posted this video with a disclaimer? Disclaimer does not work? There's a disclaimer. Yeah, I've got the disclaimer with me.
Is it? I didn't see it.
Yeah, there's a disclaimer. Sachin versus Lata civil war. I make such nonsense on my Snapchat. Follow me there. And he gives his ID. And then he says, he adds for good measure, don't trust people who get super mad super easily.
See, again,
he seems to be talking of people like you.
We've been talking of freedom of speech and expression, but that also comes with a rider, public order morality. Why people are outraged? Because it concerns Sachin, who has a massive fan following.
So you can't joke on Sachin.
No, your emotions are stirred. And
but
by public order,
no, but
nobody's beating him up. No, but we have a right to express our outrage. We have a right to speak out.
That's a separate issue.
And if it is not stopped, you are going to the next level. As Raju Srivastava is saying, it would be even more vulgar, it would be more obscene, because only interest is
under which clause? Under which clause? Viewers, a question is being put. Under which clause of the IPC or CRPC is it coded that we are a country that grants complete immunity to our super celebrities to become part of comic acts? Please tell me. No, you have to answer my question now.
No.
Are legends made of divinity, or are they just mortal human beings like the rest of us? If they are, then why should the anti-Tanmay Bhatt brigade be most outraged if the sentiments of our legends are hurt? One second, I have not finished. And my question to Vinod Kambli is, Vinod Kambli says in response to one of you, I have no problem, you can make fun of me, right? That's what you said, Vinod Kambli? I heard you say that. You said, I have no problems, you can make fun of me. You said that, right? You said, I have no problem. Right?
I don't have a problem.
Okay, good. Now listen to me, Vinod. Really you have no right to say that. And I'll tell you why. No, you have no right to say that. 1 minute, Vinod, listen to me. I'm making a point. You have no right to say that. Because Vinod, this is not the cricket pitch here. I should get a chance over you. Listen to me. The question is, Vinod, you have no right to say that. Because somebody may like you. Listen to me. No, somebody else may like you a lot. Somebody may be your great fan, right? As a cricketer. And he may say, so what if Vinod Kambli does not take offense? I am Vinod Kambli's fan, right? So, if Kanan Gill makes fun of Vinod Kambli, I will break Kanan Gill's legs right now. So, you don't have a right. You are unleashing a social media army on that fellow.
I will not do that.
No, you don't have a right. You don't control your fans.
I will not do that.
No, but Sachin Tendulkar is not telling anyone to break Tanmay Bhatt's legs.
No,
one second. Lata Mangeshkar is not telling anyone to break Tanmay Bhatt's legs.
But that's what
but people are saying listen, you are going to be encouraging mobs, yeah.
Exactly.
You are going to be encouraging mobs.
To break legs are trying to take political
back to the culture thing.
Sachin and Lata, all of us respect.
If you were respecting the woman, nobody would have come out for a joke.
First of all, I don't know Tanmay Bhatt, and whatever punishment has to be given, the police are there, and I request all the political party to stay out of it and let the law take its place.
Okay, I have a
Let
question.
him be
Can I ask a
punished.
question? I have a question to Abha. I have a question.
Don't
to Abha.
harm him. Don't harm him. Don't break his leg.
I agree
Nothing.
with you. Don't harm him. Don't break his legs.
Exactly what
Nobody is going to
Let the law take its course.
Yeah, let the law take its
By the way,
course.
also, I don't think
I'm waiting for your question.
Can I ask
Yeah,
you
yeah,
a
of
question?
course.
Can I ask you a question? The only time you wait for me is when I'm asking you a question. Now here's the thing. Here's the point. Yeah, one second. Listen. My question is, and viewers, here's
You
my
are learning comedy from that side, huh?
I think the comedy's been coming from that side entirely. We've just been giggling like idiots.
One sec. Will you stop making offensive comments about me? I take offense, Saurabh.
With that smile, I don't think you do.
Okay, here's the question. One sec.
It's neither obscene nor any violating any law.
आभा everyone listen to my question please. मैं एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ राजू श्रीवास्तव आभा इधर है बड़ी लीगल आर्गुमेंट कर रहे हैं तब से जब भी कोई कुछ बोले तो वो पन्ना उठा देती है बोलते हैं page 825 part C D B IPC she says my question is
the original case and I know the facts and I know that time that no politician came to say we will break the legs we will do that but now why today
I asked tonight Abha, why is it okay to joke about Rahul Gandhi and not about Sachin Tendulkar? You have 10 seconds to answer that question. Raju Srivastav isko sun raha hai. Why is it okay to joke about Rahul Gandhi and not about Sachin Tendulkar?
जी.
No.
You asking me, no?
I'm asking you, no?
See, you cannot joke about anybody if it is offensive. No. Why Sachin Tendulkar?
What are we doing?
No.
You can't. What's she's replying?
Why Rahul Gandhi? Because he's a politician.
No, what's Saurabh.
If it is not person specific, no, today we are debating. Law has no color, no religion. We are not debating any person. At least I am going by straight the rule book. If you are violating, you are demeaning a person. You are being obscene and in a public domain like social media. See, I don't have to
say. He's asking you a question. Abha, relax. 1 second, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone relax. Pull back, please. And please understand, Abha, you can't have a sensitivity of a touch me not plant when it comes to making celebrities the subject of an act of comedy. You know, we are not in this world, we are not proxy tortoises that the moment somebody touches a celebrity shell, it is not the celebrity but you who get provoked.
We were not on the roads today. Did you see any of us on the roads protesting?
I am at third point tonight.
We did not protest. No,
we
so don't say that for celebrities we are coming.
And by the way, one stupid joke by a 26-year-old, everyone respects Lata Di and Sachin. It's not reduced at all. Even like
see, you may respect, but it is not showing. It is not showing. You may respect in your heart, but for the money, for the cheap publicity, for the PR exercise, no, it is not humor. What humor was there? As he said, what humor you saw in that? No, there was no humor.
Okay, 1 second. If you all speak together, you won't be hurt.
Okay. This was not humor. Please don't give it the
Abba, that's what you think, man.
It was obscenity. It was vulgarity.
And that's not what we're discussing. We're not discussing. Okay, the joke was disgusting. Okay.
It was disgusting.
Okay,
come to the right word.
But my problem is, will you tell me what to make jokes about?
We are not defending
his right to say it. As you said, you make fun of Rahul Gandhi, you make fun of Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes.
But you cannot be obscene, you cannot be defamatory. That is where the issue comes in.
Agreed. But does that mean that you take a comedian to jail or beat them up?
No, if you're violating the law, that is not logic.
That's wrong.
Where law comes in, where law comes in, there is no logic. If it falls under the law, Arnab is laughing.
I don't know.
But
I don't know what's going on.
This is not about logic.
Okay.
Then the whole country would be in shambles. You say no.
Abha, listen. There are some people who, I think Raju Srivastav has held his hand up for the longest time. If he holds his hand,
he's been a comedian for 20 years. Why they have not done this? Why Rakesh Bedi and Raju Srivastav have not come up with such things like AIB?
Ma'am, please stop for 2 minutes. Please stop today. Please stop today. And somebody has sent me a message saying you stand. 1 second. Somebody says
he's laughing. He's never come up with such a thing like AIB.
कभी आपको इतना मुश्किल हुआ है कुछ बोलने सारे लोग आपको अभी हो रहा है राकेश राजू श्रीवास्तव कुछ कह रहे हैं राजू श्रीवास्तव गो ऑन प्लीज राजू श्रीवास्तव Raju cannot believe that we are actually giving him a chance to speak. Raju Srivastav ji, आपको मौका finally मिल गया, बोलिए. उन्हें विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. उन्हें आज विश्वास नहीं हो रहा.
मैं कह रहा हूं कि
बोलिए.
तेंदुलकर और राहुल मैं ये डिफरेंस है कि सचिन तेंदुलकर ने देश का मान बढ़ाया है और सचिन तेंदुलकर को सब लोग प्यार करते हैं, वो किसी भी पार्टी के हों, और राहुल गांधी को अभी प्रूव करना है।
It's right there.
नहीं देखिए कितने सटलिटी के साथ नहीं वन मिनट कितने सटलिटी के साथ, सटलिटी को हिंदी में कैसे कहेंगे, इन अ वेरी सटल,
क्या मुझे वर्ड नहीं आ रहा,
सहजता से,
बहुत ही सहजता के साथ राजू श्रीवास्तव ने इतनी गंभीर बात इतनी आसानी से बोल दी।
सवाल ये है कि राहुल गांधी कितने साल से ट्राई कर रहे हैं प्रूव करने के लिए, उनको और वक्त लगेगा, 5 साल 3 साल तो है कम से कम अगले इलेक्शन को।
This has become a comedy show now.
है ही उनके पास।
अच्छा, now Shaina NC, I want Shaina NC back to the debate, okay? Shaina NC, you avoided the Shiv Sena question, so I'll ask you a few more. Shaina NC, tell me, what is more offensive? Now you have two choices. Okay, Shaina NC on one side, and who wants to take on Shaina NC on the other? You all want to take her on? Okay, fine. We'll let Saurabh Pant take her on. Okay. Shaina NC, what is more offensive? There is a video mocking Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar, which you're very angry about. I understand the depth of your anger on this issue. But what about an article in the Samna which says that the voting rights of Muslims should be removed? Which is more offensive? Shaina, are you listening to me? Can you hear me?
I don't think anyone.
Shaina, can you hear me? I think I lost the audio line with Shaina. It's very strategically missed.
Timing. This is called comic timing.
Can I ask that question to someone else? Why are you laughing, Karan? You think you guys are the only ones with great timing?
Shaina, no comment, guys.
I think you.
No, one second. Okay. Is that a question worth answering tonight? What is more offensive? A video mocking Sachin and Lata, or Yogi Adityanath saying that we will see a repeat of 1947? What is more offensive? A video mocking Sachin and Lata, or Sakshi Maharaj saying Hindu women should have 4 children each? And continue to make polarizing comments on that. I hope Shaina's line is through tonight. Shaina, did you hear that?
May I take that, Arnab?
No,
Arnab,
you want to take that? Okay, go on. Saad bin Jan and Shaina. Yeah. Saad bin Jan and Shaina.
Let me take that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
You know, Arnab, what I find really offensive is not what the Maharaj has said, but the fact that our incredible central government and the state government does nothing about it. All they do is come on TV and say some quacky things and go away and thinking that, they're going to fool us. But they're not. Every time this man comes in, every time he has divisive politics, every time he breeds hatred, and our government just sits tight. Our Prime Minister has not said a word about it. Our Home Minister said something with you. When you are asking him questions, he easily sidled himself out of it. But nobody actually goes after these people who are actually truly separatists. These are separatists who divide India. They should be thrown in jail, as far as I'm concerned. You can laugh about Tendulkar, but you certainly cannot laugh about my country. Whoever does this to my country, throw him in jail right now, and let the government of India take action.
Yeah. See, Shaina, do you have a reply? I think Rakesh Bedi agrees completely with you.
My audio was off and it's only just come back on. I presume you're talking about some kind of political.
No, not some kind of. No, I agree with you. The audio may have been.
I haven't heard what
I'm not suggesting that you are pretending not to hear me. I'm not saying that. I'm saying the audio was off. Okay, fine. Now answer my question. Shaina, tell me. I give you 2 options and you have to choose which is more offensive. Okay? One is the Lata Tendulkar, this video on Snapchat, which you find offensive, right? And you also believe there should be legal action against these guys. Now tell me, on the other hand, there is your Shiv Sena, your ally, at least for the moment. I don't know what's going on between both the parties anyway nowadays. Now, the Shiv Sena vandalized a clinic in Palghar in Mumbai because the clinic had links with a girl who commented on Facebook after Bal Thackeray died. The clinic was vandalized, broken apart. I don't know about the psychological damage that was caused at that time on those 2 young girls. What is more offensive, what the Shiv Sena did or what Tanmay Bhatt did? Come on, don't say both, don't give me a politically correct reply.
Why do I have to make a comparison? Both can be offensive. Both are in their individual places, different.
Why are you always, taking the middle road?
I'm not some stand-up comedian to entertain.
No, 1 second. I think Kanan Gill is asking a counter question to you. Kanan, go on, yeah. Kanan.
No, I'm
not counter-questioning. I'm just going to add something small to steer the debate maybe in a slightly different direction.
An offence is an offence.
China,
whether somebody vandalizes, they are a joker in my opinion. Whether somebody disrespects an icon.
Okay, I'll give another question.
But please don't forget what.
Okay, so this is becoming.
No, Kanan, you think she's answering the question? I don't think she is.
An 80-year-old senior citizen is disgraceful. So let's not get into some kind of a competition about who's worse and who's not. If it is an offence and if I have a right to register.
No, Shaina, listen. Shaina, listen. Shaina, 1 second. Shaina, by the way, one second.
Okay,
unless, no, probably the audio line went away. Just a minute, Kanan.
Yeah.
It is entirely possible that the audio line went away.
Okay.
When I was speaking to Shaina about those questions on the Shiv Sena. Because otherwise, if it didn't, then I'm told on the program without a mic, people in mask can hear me yelling every night. So I think in that case, I would be convinced.
So we didn't have a TV on.
Pardon me? Yeah, you don't have to have a TV on.
We didn't have a TV on.
You just have to try and hear loud enough. You'll hear the news hour debate every night.
I think ISRO is launching.
Should I ask her one more question? Shaina, listen. Shaina, listen. Since Sambit Patra isn't yet on the program, so I'll ask you the second question. Shaina, there is a thing called Snapchat. I was also trying to find out what is Snapchat. What? I don't understand. No, Rakesh Bedi, what's it? Rakesh Bedi, look at this generation. You ask them any question here, they start laughing. The question is Snapchat. Relax, guys. Snapchat is an instant message and multimedia mobile application used in the smartphone age. In fact, the video is deleted in a maximum period of 24 hours. Right? And your government is very, very, very concerned about Snapchat. Now, I'll tell you what drought is. Drought is a prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall leading to a shortage of water. 28, no, one second. No, it's a serious question. 28,000 villages have been hit in Maharashtra across 20 to 22 districts by drought. What should be the concern of the Maharashtra government, Snapchat or drought? That's my question to you. Please answer my question tonight. And don't tell me why should you choose.
Absolutely drought.
Yeah, then why are you bothered about Snapchat more?
This madman the time of day. Who wants to give him the time of day? But if there is a public sentiment where there is public at large absolutely so repulsed with his commentary, as a political party, we too have the right to agitate and to register a complaint legally. Nobody is taking law and order into the hands and nobody is losing priority. Please do understand, we do what we need to do.
Then why is 1 second, Shaina, then why is Ashish Shelar of the BJP going and making a police complaint? Why is Ashish Shelar so Rakesh Bedi is upset about it? He's not going to the police. Are you going to the police? No, one second. Rakesh Bedi is not going to the police because Rakesh Bedi does not want to make it political.
Case need not necessarily be that of the icons. There is a popular.
You're not answering my question.
One individual could be 100. It could be 1,000 that feel that he has done wrong and he needs to be taught a lesson. And he needs to withdraw in terms of apologizing and withdrawing from
Manse and BJP
social
all
media.
have gone today. Not because of anything else. Earlier, first time, nobody was there when FIR was actually registered and case was done. But that time, neither Ashish Shelar came because it was not affecting his vote bank politics. So that is the first issue which needs to be tackled. The politicians have jumped in.
Rakesh Bedi,
एक बात का जवाब देना चाहूंगा जो शाइना जी ने नहीं दिया.
बोलिए.
ये कि शिवसेना ने जो वो वेंडलाइज किया था क्लिनिक 2 लड़कियों के
बालघर में.
हाँ, उसका ज्यादा असर हुआ था, इसका ज्यादा असर हुआ. मुझे लगता है वो ज़्यादा ख़राब था क्योंकि वो 2 लड़कियों की साइकी शायद ज़िंदगी भर के लिए ख़राब हो गई हो.
बिल्कुल.
और इस इंसिडेंट से ना लता जी को ना सचिन जी को कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल.
In fact, at that time, I took it up with the women commission.
No, bilkul, well argued. But just because I asked 3 questions to the other side, this side thought that they have won the debate. Right? Now, I'm going to ask a few questions to this side. And then, no, 1 second. Are, bhai, 1 second, listen to me. Now, my question is to Sapan, Karan and Saurabh. Yeah. राजू श्रीवास्तव जी, आपका परमिशन है मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ लूं 3-4 इनको आप भी पूछ सकते हैं. मैं ये कहते हैं कि देखिए हम कुछ बुरा नहीं चाह रहे थे, हम बुरा बोलना नहीं चाहते थे. हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर और लता मंगेशकर जी को. ये तो हम बिल्कुल ही उनके बारे में बुरा नहीं मानते, बुरा नहीं सोचते, बुरा नहीं कुछ कहते. राइट? ऐसा कह रहे. राइट? सो मेरा सवाल है, टुमारो यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ योगी आदित्यनाथ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow, if Yogi Adityanath adds a disclaimer and he says, I love and respect every community. I love and respect every citizen. I am completely secular. And then he heaps a lot of abuse in the name of love jihad. Will you come on the show and defend him?
Well, the thing.
No. Answer the question. Answer. And tomorrow.
Okay. So this argument, Arnab, I'll just like to.
The argument. I'll tell you the argument. The argument is this, Kanan. Listen. Since you're
no, no,
1 second.
I'll
Kanan,
just go back to
Kanan, listen.
A question
you're
asked
looking back.
earlier.
You locked horns with me. Now I'm going to take the second question from me tonight. The argument is this.
I'm so sorry. What you said?
I said you locked horns with me, so you are going to take the second question from me tonight in the same context of the first one. Okay. No, I'm the one who gets to ask all the questions. Listen.
The moderator.
Listen. Kanan Gill from Bengaluru told that he's one of India's best stand-up comedians. Listen to me, Kanan. Tomorrow, if you say, I love this particular personality, okay? I love this person, I respect the person deeply. And then you say that the person should die a horrible death. Okay? Will you come on the show and defend?
Okay, so now if I say I love and respect someone and then in the next word say I want that person to die, who am I? A comedian? Yes. Earlier in the program you had asked if which of these two statements is more offensive. Someone saying something incendiary about Muslims in a newspaper or this Snapchat video. Which one is less offensive? The one said by a comedian. The one that was intended for the purposes of comedy. The one that ridiculously somehow needs to require a disclaimer, which it did have.
No, you're not answering my question. Raju Srivastava, did he answer my question? Rakesh, did you answer my question? My point is, tomorrow if somebody uses your face, Kanan, your face.
Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा राजू श्रीवास्तव रिस्पॉन्ड करें कहिए राजू श्रीवास्तव जी कहिए
हाँ मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर डिस्क्लेमर में वो कहता है कि मैं उनकी रेस्पेक्ट करता हूँ और उनका बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ और उसके बाद वो उनको गाली देता है तो इसका मतलब कहीं तो झूठ बोल रहा है
गाली नहीं देता बोलता मर जाओ
पे झूठ बोल रहा है
नहीं मर जाओ
खासतौर से लता जी के केस में जी
बोलिए
मर जाओ जो बोले उसको खुद को डूब के मर जाना चाहिए मर जाओ अगर कोई कहता है तो उसको खुद ही डूब के मर जाना चाहिए
तन्मय भट्ट यही चाहते थे वो इस तरह की विभत्सता करे और आज उनको बैठ के सुबह से टाइप करके
Saurabh Pant is coming back to the debate. Saurabh,
you mentioned Yogi Adityanath.
No, why Yogi Adityanath? I'll mention Amir Khan.
Whoever it is.
1 second. What about Amir Khan? 1 second. Where is Amir Khan today? Amir Khan spoke about intolerance in our country.
And he was removed.
And he spoke about the AIB roast. He spoke against the AIB roast. Right? Why does Amir Khan not slam the intolerance of the Shiv Sena and the MNS today? Sort of answer.
I mean,
do you think he should?
I think anyone should. I think everyone.
No. Where is? No. 1 second. Let's be clear about Bollywood, okay?
Sure.
Where is Anurag Kashyap? He's reportedly at loggerheads with the censor board over some cuts made in his film Udta Punjab. Where is he? Where is Karan Johar? Who said, I really wonder how we are really democratic. How is there freedom of expression? I, as a filmmaker, I feel bound at every level. What I put on celluloid, what I say in print. Where is his outrage today? Where are they? Where are they? Bollywood, no, where are all of them?
They're hiding in fear.
No, where are they? No, 1 second. At least I would say today that Raju Srivastava and Rakesh Bedi have the courage to come on the program and oppose your point of view. I respect them for that. But where are these people? उनको बोलना नहीं चाहिए? Should they not be coming out today? Where is the entire fraternity that is seen uniting against the video mocking Sachin and Lata Mangeshkar not be questioned when it had no compunctions rallying behind Sanjay Dutt despite him being convicted for illegal possession of arms in a case linked to the 1993 bomb blast? My question is, where is the hypocrisy of Bollywood? Let people come out and speak. कहाँ है? राजू श्रीवास्तव जी आज Bollywood कहाँ पे है? बॉलीवुड में जो फ्री स्पीच ब्रिगेड है वो कहाँ है? कहाँ गए वो लोग? हाँ? कहाँ गए वो लोग?
Okay, so
नहीं मगर अब Salman Khan issue comes up, then they rally behind Salman Khan in the hit and run attack. Where are they today?
They go visit him. They do prayers.
Maybe they're busy on a flight.
Flight?
Phone is broken. I mean, it seems slightly.
No, all of them are on a flight now.
Yeah, they're on the same
okay,
flight.
fine.
They are on the flight because
And
they
who
can't
should
take
not
off.
defend
Kanan, come on, we know.
Really moving away.
But again,
from
the
what
point is that it's
subject of
back
this
to
was.
fear. We're back to fear with this. We're back to fear with this, where currently what's happening with the entire this thing is that everyone's running around in fear of trying to see ki, if I say X or support X, what are the repercussions of that?
Yeah.
My assumption is that I'm not defending them. I'm saying that that's my assumption with regards to the current atmosphere.
Again,
in
then
India.
calculation and money comes in. That means for Bollywood, every movement is related to money and calculation and glamour and publicity. Everything is scripted. What you speak,
I think you give the
every
intelligence
step,
far too much
and
credit.
that is just scripted and scripted. That's all. And that is why I say that PR company,
Apparently,
which made Tanmay
all
Dutt's
Bollywood
comedy.
does is-
Okay, one sec. Karan, go on, Karan, go on. Last 3 minutes on the debate. Karan, go
I have to
on.
agree with Saurabh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to agree with Saurabh that the biggest reason why people don't come out and say things, I think fear is one part of it. What Saurabh said is absolutely correct. But the second is what we are doing right here, right now. Look at what we are doing. We are making a mountain out of a molehill here. All of us
Not a molehill,
sitting here
it's not
arguing
a
about
molehill.
this.
It represents
No, let him
50%
speak.
of the women
Let
of
him
this
speak.
country. You are violating the honesty of women. Not Lata Mangeshkar.
Karan, exercise.
How are you saying molehill? No, Arnab, how is he saying molehill?
Karan,
You show your middle finger to a woman on front
will
of
you
a
stop
TV
talking for 2 minutes?
and you are saying
One
it's
second,
a molehill.
Karan,
It's a
one sec,
molehill.
one sec.
It violates my dignity.
My God, this woman has a mouth on her.
Let him speak, yeah.
No, Arnab, but how can he say it's a mountain of a molehill?
He can say what he wants to because he's got a free.
In fact,
he has the
I
right
can
to.
say what I want.
Habitual
It's the
offender,
beauty of
he
being
should
a
be arrested.
democracy, lady.
Delhi, Bombay police calls them for their function, makes them dance on their function every year, and that is the reason they have gone soft. In fact, they use these cases to make them dance free on their shows.
Do you see a lot of comedy shows on Indian TV? There's a lot of sexism, there's a lot of racism.
We have comedians here sitting. We've seen their
He
comedy.
is a legend. I'm not talking about him, but there are.
We have grown up with this comedy,
don't take one person as an example. I'm not
Listen,
talking about
listen,
what's on TV today.
Listen, I'd say.
You don't need to demean or violate the modesty of a woman
Which
for comedy.
happens on TV
to
every
earn your
night.
bread and butter.
Which happens on
You
TV.
can
Why
use
should-
it in a dignified way.
मुझे ऐसा लगा
बोलिए
अगर उस वीडियो में ये जो तन्मय भट्ट हैं, अगर ये सपोज ऐसा वीडियो होता कि लता जी सचिन से क्रिकेट सीख रही हैं और वो अपनी आवाज में बोल रही हैं, सचिन अपनी आवाज में बोल रहे हैं और सचिन जी उनसे गाना सीख रहे हैं, तो मिमिक्री होती और मुझे हंसी आती और थोड़ा फनी होता। तो लेकिन उनको फनी नहीं करना था, उनको कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट
वो मैं समझ रहा हूँ, but man's point is that
उनको
man's not
AIB
offended.
करना था, जिसको हम नाम से
as a
नहीं बोल
woman.
पा रहे हैं।
जी जी।
But Rakesh ji, can I address
Karan.
the point, Rakesh ji?
Yes, Karan Talwar and
Yeah,
Rakesh.
so I'd like to
Bedi,
say,
yeah.
Rakesh, I'd like to address your point. Now, everybody has a different sensibility. I understand you didn't find it funny. I totally get it, why you didn't find it funny. But I have followed Tanmay before Tanmay Bhatt was even famous. I have known him for a long, long time. I have watched him do comedy many times, hundreds of times. And I have seen, there's a context that's built. For his followers, you're seeing this in isolation. You're seeing one piece of one Snapchat in isolation. I have seen Tanmay, I've seen
लेकिन मैंने तन्मय का एक भी वीडियो नहीं देखा है, मैंने तन्मय को आज तक देखा ही नहीं है, मैंने पहली बार देखा है, तो मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम है। मैंने आज तक तन्मय को कभी नहीं देखा है, अब मुझे उसकी शक्ल भी नहीं पता थी, मुझे उसका नाम भी नहीं पता।
आपने तन्मय को अभी पहली बार देखा है and yet you're making you know completely what his intention was in saying what he did.
Naturally, मतलब मैंने पहली बार देखा, मुझे
You said he wanted publicity. Of course you know. You've seen him for the first time in a Snapchat video और आपको उनका intention absolutely 100% clear पता है.
Freedom of expression in India, why does it always come with terms and conditions? Like with regards to everything.
So that there are not riots. You don't
Fair enough.
create women,
There were
you
2
don't
cases
demean
filed against
women.
Owaisi as far as I know in my limited knowledge. They've both been dropped for whatever reason. I mean, again, this I'm not intelligent or a human being, but the point is that every single time a politician does a hate speech, it disappears very quickly. Whereas a person who's an artist tends to be in isolation without an army of supporters behind him, so there's absolutely like nothing to defend himself with.
Right.
Whereas there they get away with a lot of stuff.
You
Why is
have all
that?
the money power in the court with your
Okay,
back.
viewers,
You have to
I'll
defend
tell you
the
this.
money
We've
which
discussed
you
this.
earn from this
I
street
just say one.
comedy
At
will
the
be
end,
used in the courts, your battery of lawyers, just the way Salman Khan got away.
One minute. I want to say that I don't want any very strict action against Tanmay. I don't want it personally. I don't want any police action also. I don't want any law action also.
Right.
You know, I don't want it. But I want that this he should be told it's not right.
That's okay.
That's all about.
Yeah, but you know what? You can't break his leg.
He's a comedian.
No, you can't. Watch it. You can't break his legs. You can't threaten him. You can't say I'm going to arrest him. You can't say that the whole state. No. Watch, Abba. I have a right to speak, for God's sake. Now, come on. What's going on here? The fact is, if we think, viewers, that in this country the greatest internal security threat to this country is Tanmay Bhatt, I'm really worried for our country. Tanmay, if you're watching tonight, you're probably having a good laugh at this. I have only one thing to say to you, Tanmay. Don't get into hiding. Come out and speak. Let's also say we've had a good debate tonight, and that's what makes this democracy great. And I am very proud today, Raju Srivastav ko last word dunga, कि आज इस program में we have different generations of comedians who've done comedy in different languages come together and debate. That's great.
Awesome.
So Tanmay, what are you in hiding for? Yes, please. Yes, please. Last word to Raju Srivastav.
Because
please,
people are going to break his leg.
Raju Srivastav tonight. Yeah, Raju जी, आप भी स्नैपचैट में जाइए, कुछ कॉमेडी कीजिए, अपनी तरह की कॉमेडी कीजिए.
कुछ साल पहले मेरे
जी, और whatever medium, yeah.
हाँ, मुझे भी हाँ थोड़ी तरक्की करनी होगी. ये जब ये तन्मय मेरे पास कुछ साल पहले आया और ही टोल्ड कि हमें आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए. आप बताइए कैसे आप जोक बनाते हैं, कैसे सोचते हैं, ये मैटर कहाँ से लाते हैं. मैंने उसको बताया चारा घोटाला है, ये सब करो. जयललिता की जो हज़ारों साड़ियाँ निकली हैं उस पर करो. कलमाड़ी जो इतना पैसा खा गए खेल का और स्पोर्ट्स के सामान का, उस पर कुछ करो. और वो पता नहीं कौन सा आशीर्वाद मेरे ऑफिस से लेके गया. मुझे तो लगता है कि मेरे ऑफिस से निकला होगा और उसने ये डिसाइड किया होगा ये सब बिल्कुल नहीं करना है.
आप फिर से उनको, मैं आपका नंबर उनको दूंगा, वो आपसे बात करेंगे. आप आशीर्वाद दीजिए और आप दोनों फिर आइए इस प्रोग्राम पर. But I really enjoyed this conversation. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.